Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Just a quickie mind. I want to hip you to the best tool you will ever build yourself in a shop. It doesn't cost no more, very, very cheap. You can't buy it in any store, but it will save you on those long, cold winter nights. Behold the oft neglected, yet critical wooden pallet. So the concrete in the winter gets fucking cold. You're standing there all day on a flat, hard surface. And there's anti-fatigue mats, what you can buy, the rubber. They don't have the advantage of this. Every time you take a step, you are on a different angle. So your foot is on a slightly different angle. When you're standing on anti-fatigue mat, yes, it's nice and cushy, but it doesn't change the angulation of your foot. You get stiff in your back and your hamstrings. This really helps you because every time you move, it has a different kind of balance. So one of these planks will be right down low, crushed right down low, nice and bouncy, and the other one will be up a little bit, changes the angulation on your feet, saves your back and your legs. There's going to be some safety nellies that say poses a tripping hazard. Those are the fucks what don't watch where they're going. Anytime you're in an industrial site anywhere, you got to look at where you're going, partner. So yes, there is a slight tripping hazard because it's raised up and it's hard. Not much different than an anti-fatigue mat. You stand at a machine or a workbench for any amount of time, this is the best thing you will ever build. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.